Hello everyone. So maybe you're a new player and you would like to know what is the historic format in Magic the Gathering Arena. It is pretty easy to explain, and it is basically a format with all the cards from the start of the Magic the Gathering Arena implementation. It is not a rotating thing, it just new cards get added. The most occasional thing that can happen is usually that some strong cards get banned because of particular combos or they are too strong, and that is it. It is just 60 cards, you build your own deck and you play, and it's all the past formats, including, if I remember correctly, alchemy cards, which is alchemy sets. They are Magic the Gathering Arena only formats. Basically, they alchemy cards are only available in digital format, and historic here also has them. I think that's the most important difference between historic and pioneer, as pioneer does not have alchemy cards. And this is it for this video. I hope you liked it. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.